Good morning, everyone. I am SPWD of EC Department Civil Engineering College. As control system, we use in many applications like water heater, hair dryer, and welding machine, washing machine, like that. Every application where the control system we use. My topic is real-time passenger information system in railways. Introduction of this is a live updates of the train where it is coming, which station it will reach, and when will it reach a station, like that it will show. And people use GPS sensor and AI. Then information is shared to station display, mobile apps, and announcement in the railway stations. Next, the key components of the control system. Data collection and tracking system, GPS sensor and tracking system, central processing unit, then communication network like 5G, 4G, Wi-Fi are they used. Next, control central station display and passenger apps. Next, passenger information display and announcement. There will be a LCD display which will show where the train is coming. Then through mobile apps, there will be an app that where is my train. In that we will search all the train where it is coming, then which time it will reach the particular station. It's powered by app and the air system. Then this is the raw